What is there to make such a hue cry about this table, which is a procedure? Most of them, those who are raising issues, are also members in JPC. संजय सिंह जी, आप तो खुद मेंबर हैं, हाँ तो खुद मेंबर है JPC में, अपना रिपोर्ट का विरोध कर रही है.
Here is a member who says, how does the minister know? Isn't the minister the member of this house? How? What is this kind of a misleading of the house? It's outrageous, sir.
The JPC report on Waqf Amendment Bill was to be placed on the table of the House. And some of the concerns raised by the opposition party, I have just checked it. There is no deletion, there is no removal of any part of the report. Everything is tabled on the floor of the House. On what basis you can raise this kind of issues? Don't mislead the House. Sir, I am very pained to say that the honorable members from opposition parties are making unnecessary issue by raising issue which is not fact. The allegation is false, sir, and as per the rule, the JPC had conducted the entire proceedings. There was no violation of any rules. All the members from the opposition parties participated in the proceedings of the JPC for last 6 months. Now finally, when the report is placed in the floor of the House, they are raising objection. In the appendix also, all the dissent notes are also attached. All the dissent notes of the opposition parties are also attached and placed on the record of the House. They can't mislead the House in this manner. This is very unfortunate, sir.
Honorable members, one second. Take your seat. Honorable members, will you keep shut? Honorable members, the Honorable Minister has, Leader of the Opposition, in categorical terms stated that no part of dissent or any input by a member has been deleted. The statements made in the House constitute an act of impropriety. When the minister has made categorical statement, if you think contrary, take recourse to rules. Such a categorical statement, no. A responsible minister, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has categorically referred in this House to the report. He is focused that no part of dissent, no part of input has been alleged, has been deleted, and therefore all that has been said according to the Honorable Minister is factually untenable. It is untruth. We cannot allow this House to set afloat untruths. No. The Minister is categorical, and I find there is an effort to make this House dysfunctional. The Minister has categorically asserted nothing else will go on record. Nothing else will go on record. Honorable Finance Minister.
Sir,
Honorable
the
Finance
minister
Minister.
says, the minister has said categorically, and then the clarification about the rules are very clear, but we are being misled in this House as though there's a wrong thing. The minister, in your presence, is saying the truth, and they don't want to even look at. And here is a member who says, how does the minister know? Isn't the minister the member of this House? How? What is this kind of a misleading of the House by honorable members who are supposed to be familiar with the rules? It's outrageous, sir.
Sir, after the observations made by the Honorable Chair, there is nothing left to be clarified. However, the member, Mr. Abdullah, has just made a remark which Finance Minister also had responded appropriately. He says that how does the minister know? Not only being the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, the Waqf Amendment Bill is related to ministry which I am handling, Ministry of Minority Affairs. And from the day one, every assistance is provided. Sir, I want to ask, during the proceedings of the JPC for last 6 months, some of the honorable members, just listen, some of the honorable members are here who are members of the JPC. They can clarify from the Ministry of Minority Affairs, is there any lack of support, absence of support from the ministry? I believe my own Secretary of the Ministry of Minority Affairs continuously attended the JPC meeting. All the officers are supporting them, and the proceedings were as per rule. And finally, when the report is tabled, it would be the fittest of the things if honorable members read the report and then raise any issue at the time when the bill is reintroduced again by the government. Right now, JPC report has been tabled. What is there to make such a hue cry about this table, which is a procedure? It is a normal procedure. Most of them, those who are raising issues, are also members in JPC. They are discrediting their own efforts. संजय सिंह जी, आप तो खुद मेंबर हैं, हाँ तो खुद मेंबर है JPC में, अपना ही रिपोर्ट का विरोध कर रही है। कितना ये अफसोस की बात है सर।
May I now allow 0 hour Shri Pramod Tiwari. Would you like to raise? Sir, no, they have to go to their seats. No, they have to go to their seat. No, 1 second. No, first you go to your seat. First you go to your seat. Yes, please. Yes, Nasir. Yes. And secondly, they also go to their seats. Sir, sir, खड़गे जी, मेरा बैठे सर, आप बैठिए सर, पहले आप स्थान ग्रहण कीजिए, मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है कि जब हम हाउस को शालीनता से चला सकते हैं, तो यदि अगर 2 या 3 सदस्य यहाँ आकर जो आचरण कर रहे हैं वो चिंतन का विषय है, प्लीज। एंड नहीं, दे हैव गॉन देयर एवरी टाइम आते हैं, वो क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं? आखिर ये जो हो रहा है इससे पूरा राष्ट्र जुड़ा हुआ है। एक ऐसा मुद्दा है, अरे सुनिए, जिस आप बैठेंगे, ये एक ऐसा मुद्दा है जिस पर लोगों के मत होंगे, अनेक विचारधाराएं होंगी, और ये सदन उन विचारधाराओं का संगम बनेगा। यह सदन अंत में जो निर्णय करेगा वो प्रजातांत्रिक व्यवस्था के हिसाब से होगा, वाद विवाद के हिसाब से होगा।